Happiness is the key to success. Stardust in the building. Let's go! Oh, what a feeling! This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain. This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
Oh, what a feeling!
what a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
I
happy.
can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
Happiness, yo, 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 yo. Happiness, yeah, 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 yeah. Happiness, yo, 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 yo. Happiness, yeah, 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 yeah.
Any place I enter, I go to feel my free. Forget I am matter, nothing to worry me. Where trouble day, me I know day. Where enjoyment day, now for them me
Oh,
I
what a feeling!
what a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
I
happy.
can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
Oh, what a feeling!
what a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 7:30 na ng umaga. Andito na kami sa Sweden area pero hindi pa nakadock yung cruise doon sa port. Si Nico guys, hindi daw siya nakatulog ng maayos kasi lumabas pa yan siya kagabi, uminom siya. Tapos makiilang beses daw siyang gumising para umihi ng umihi. Yung si Anika, yan, mahimbingan tulog. Tabi lang kami guys, sa gitna si Anika and actually, wala talagang space si Nico kagabi kasi si Anika, inoccupy niya yung doong side na yun sa kabila. Pero kasya naman kami dito kasi mas malaki pa nga tong bed na to compared dun sa bahay namin. So, hintayin lang namin na magising si Anika para mag-breakfast na. Daddy, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you tired?
No, a little bit.
Little bit. Yeah. Were you drunk last night?
Not really.
Not really.
Just two beer.
Just 2 beer and then 2 beer in the restaurant for dinner.
Yeah, one wine.
And 1 wine. Yeah. Kasi guys, doon sa buffet, unlimited yung drinks. Pati yung wine, yung beer, yung mga sodas. Lahat yun, unlimited yun. Kasali na yun siya. Ngayon lang namin na magising si Anika. Tapos, kakain na tayo ng breakfast. Tulog pa ang aking amo, guys. Anika, good morning! Good morning, Anika! Uy, turo lawa man. Agoy! Good morning now! Good morning! Let's go eat amo pala. Abot na lang ako ng Sweden and all guys. Yung suot na damit ko may butas. Ganun talaga. Para press ko. So, hindi na kami magpapalit ni Nico ng damit guys. Yung damit namin kahapon, yun pa rin yung susuot namin today. Kasi nga, sandali lang naman yung nagamit. Kahapon lang naman yun. Wala akong pake. Bahala kayo dyan. So, si Anika lang magpapalit ng damit. Kasi pupunta tayo ngayon doon sa immigration ng... Tama ba? Immigration ba tawag doon? Basta doon sa immigration ng Philippines. Kasi kailangan namin kumuha ng bagong passport niya. What will you say to our friends?
No.
Sana huwa menta?
Mama.
Punta na tayo guys dun sa restaurant para kumain ng breakfast. Dito na naman tayo sa buffet guys. Let's look there. Maybe there's for kids or I think everything is the same for kids and adults. Sa breakfast nga, sobrang dami na naman talagang pagkain na pwedeng pagpilian. So, in-enjoy na lang namin yung breakfast namin and tinikman namin pa isa-isa yung mga andoon. Pero sobrang busog na busog talaga after nyan. Pero mas lalong nakakabusog yung view galing doon sa bintana guys habang naglalayag kami papunta ng Sweden. Tapos na kami nag-breakfast guys. And magre-ready na kami para pagdating ng Sweden is diretso ambak na tayo sa taxi. Kasi hindi namin alam yung direction. And 1 hour lang yung time namin bago yung appointment namin. We are now in Sweden, guys. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Anika. Sabi na Anika, wanna go home. Uwi na siya, guys. Is lang talaga kami dito, guys. Kaya mag-taxi na lang talaga kami para hindi kami mawala na kasi 11 o'clock Swedish time yung appointment ni Anika doon sa immigration. And hindi namin kabisado yung public transport. Kaya magta-taxi na lang kami. Dito na kami sa labas ng consular office ng Philippines. Grabe, spring na dito sa kanila. Walang ka-snow. Tapos sobrang warm ng weather. Hindi na talaga kailangan mag-jacket dito sa Sweden. Spring na talaga dito sa Sweden, guys. Ayan o, sobrang dami na nilang blooms dito. Andito na tayo sa old town nila. So, mag-iikot lang kami dito for a couple of hours. Kasi kailangan din namin bumalik din sa Viking. Hindi namin yung mga kalapate. As in, spring na talaga dito sa kanila, guys. Walang ka-snow. Hindi kagaya sa Finland. Eh, napakaganda ng old town nila. Ganda ng old town nila, guys. Napakalinis and walang access ang cars dito. So, walking lang talaga lahat. Kakatuwa yung mga old buildings na nakikita ko lang dati sa mga paintings. Ganito pala siya. This is not my first time dito sa Sweden. Pero, hindi kasi kami dumalaw dito that time. Sa lugar na to, guys, meron silang book reading. Yung author, nag-feature siya ng kanyang book today. So, everybody is welcome. Welcome is welcome in Swedish.
Dagens högvaktsavlösning. Nästa högvaktsavlösning sker imorgon klockan 12:15. This concludes the shaking of the guard ceremony. The next shaking of the guard will take place tomorrow at 12:15.
Standing from today until tomorrow, lunchtime. Like, you're not going to eat? Okay.
Germany, that spike, it's something. Do you know the history of that?
No, I think it's like really old fashioned. So military fashion.
I hear that.
Land of it was rebuilt in I think the 1800s or so. Which stems from the 15th.
May nakita kami mga Pilipino, sabi ni Anika, it's Tita Julie. Si Julie lang talaga niya kilala niyang tita ba. But yeah, maghahanap muna kami na makakainan kasi lunchtime na rin. Hi guys, so andito na kami ngayon sa restaurant. Dito na lang kami kakain kasi hindi ko alam saan yung mga restaurant. So ito na yung pinakamalapit na restaurant. So, pagod na rin talaga kami maglakad-lakad. So ito na yung menu. Pipili na muna kami ng makakain. Amazed kami ni Nico guys kasi kinakausap nila kami ng Swedish dito. Tapos
But actually,
Nico was
in
replying in English and in
it's in
Swedish.
Norway. They don't speak like English.
Yeah, but when they talk to you in Swedish, you reply to them in Finnish.
No, we
Nico, did you learn some kind of Finnish words today?
Finnish word.
Swedish word.
No, it's just a. It's like in Lotto-nummer 145 Boklubben.
Okay, you just know Lotto number.
Boklubben is the Finnish kids program.
Look at here.
There's a beach in my It's a dog. Oh, it's a black box.
Dito kami sa grocery nila, guys. Sabi ko kay Nico, meron ba ditong Happy Kiro ka? Yeah. But their shelves are open. It's not like in Finland that it's closed, but here it's open. Pagod na kami maglakad, guys. So, bumili lang kami ng ice cream. Si Nico din, ayun, kumakain din ng ice cream. Yeah, it's a bookshop. Guys, andito na kami sa barko ulit. Grabe, pagod na pagod kami. Ang sakit ng mga binti ko, guys, na palakad-lakad doon sa loob ng Old Town. So, nagre-relax lang kami konti. Tapos, pupunta na kami doon sa coffee shop para magkape. Kasi, after nung lunch, hindi kami nagkape doon. Kasi naglakad lang kami ng naglakad. Pero, nag-taxi naman kami nung pabalik na dito sa barko. So, ayun na, guys, si Nico. You already posted your video to the family group?
It's loading.
Oh, it's loading. And si Anika, guys, is andoon. Ayun. Wow!
Se oli suunnaan tämä paketti. Kato, kun se kiittää siitä. Olipa hieno.
No niin, Ville, no sit mentävä syömään, eiks niin Ville? Niin sanotaan moikka Villelle, miksei hejdå till Ville.
Heido!
Hejdå till Ville. Hej hej.
De ska börja föra en kalender.
Guys, tignan nyo yung kamatis. Parang ganito din talaga yung mga kamatis na tinatapon na sa Haviki, oh. Pero ito, andito pa siya, siniserve siya sa Viking na restaurant. Kasi nagtinapay lang kami, guys, for dinner.